Hello friends, welcome in OCP Technology. My name is Shripal, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate you how to create a database clone using RMAN. I have one more video for Oracle database cloning using manual method, taking online backup or hot backup. For this demo I have two server, production server and clone server, you can see here. So in production server I have one database called production prodb, okay, which I'm going to clone it to clone server. Okay, so here I'm listed all the steps how to do this. You can visit on my official website www.ocptechnology.com, and you can see all the steps over here like this. Just right here ocptechnology.com, and you can see all the steps here. Okay, you can click here and select Oracle 11G, and then you can see here all the step of the Oracle database cloning using RMAN. Okay, let's see, continue. And step is 6 step in that demo I do. And first is make sure your production database is running in archive log mode, and second, create a p file for clone database and copy it to clone server. Take the backup of production database and copy it to clone server. Start auxiliary instance for clone server and restore the database, and open the database in reset logs, test clone database. Next, right? So let's see, continue. Make sure your production database is running in alpha log mode. Let's see, open terminal and log in your database. So I'm logging here my database. Okay, so let's check the database running in archive log mode or not. Archive log list, enter. So your database already running in archive log mode, your archive log mode enable. You can check one more through one more command. Select underscore mode from your database. So your database running in archive log mode. Okay, okay, let me check the connectivity using ping command. Your both machine must be ping. So on my production server my IP is this 192.168.110, and on my clone server my IP address is 1.30. So let's check using ping command. So right here the IP of your production server 192.168.1.10. so it is responding, so it is good. Check here, ping 192.168.1.30. so it is also responding. Okay, let's check the database name here using this command. Select name from view database. So you can check here your the database is production DB. Okay, now let's create a p file from production server to cron server, then we will send it. Okay, so create p file u01 init.aura init cron db dot aura from sp file. So your p file is created. Now let's copy the p file from production server to cron server using scp command. scp u01 init cron db oracle edit oracle edit the IP is here 192.168.1.30. This is the IP of client server. Send it in u01. Enter. Accept it. Yes. Password. Okay, your password file is sending. Let's move on client and edit the p file and create the necessary directives. So I'm moving on client server and open your p file vi u01 init cron db and okay. Let me replace all the name starting with prodb to clondb. This or this. Okay. So using that prodb clondb g. Okay, so we are replacing it. Now make the necessary directives like this one and control file directives and your flash recovery file directives. Okay, make the necessary changes. Okay, we need to add to partition will help to convert location of directory structure of the data file. So add here two parameters dot db underscore file underscore name underscore convert is equal to prodb converted clondb. This parameter help to convert data file path when you restore the backup. Okay, add one more parameter here. Log underscore file underscore name underscore convert prodb to clonedb. This parameter help us to convert log file location when restored in the database. Okay, let's now save it. Okay, and now create the necessary directories. So necessary directories, which ones? First one is that, copy the path and open a terminal and write here mkdir hyphen p and your path is the adump directories, and second one is mkdir hyphen p this one. Okay, clonedb enter, then mkdir hyphen p flash recovery directory, this one, copy and paste here. Okay, note one more thing, make sure that you have installed some same versions of the Oracle database on both machine, otherwise you won't be able to restore the database. Okay, so I have just installed the software, Oracle database software. Not creating any database, so I don't have any directory here, that's why I'm creating here directories. Okay, now close this file. Okay, now modify the Oratab file and give the instance name clonedb. So vi space etc Oratab enter, and in the end of the file dash I and add here clone db u01 Oracle product 11.2.0 and db home underscore 1 this. Okay, you can check your Oracle home path also. Echo Oracle underscore home. So you can see your Oracle home path here like this. Okay, so I'm copy this path directly and paste it there again like this. Okay, then this. Okay, now save it. Okay, sorry. Okay, now let's move the production server and just take the backup of database. Let's connect to the RMAN. Okay, connect to the RMAN target. Okay, connect to RMAN. Enter. So you can see here your database is ProDB, and right here backup database plus archive log. Enter. Okay, your backup is finished. So now I'm going to create a same RMAN backup path in my clone server, and I'm going to copy the entire folder of the backup. So this is the backup path. Okay, so we have need to create that path on the clone server. So copy that path and going on clone server, and make it paste here. Okay, copy, paste here, then enter, and let's copy all the backup set from production database to clone server. Okay. Exit from RMAN port and cd in that path. Go and enter in this path ls. So here is the backup set folders. Where is your backups already store? So copy it using scp command. Scp backup set, Orica @ IP client side 192.168.1.30. Then path is this, then enter password. So backup set not a regular file, it's showing an error, so you should have to use -r here, then enter password. It will take 1 minute or less. Okay, backup process is completed. Successfully copy on the clone server. So now copy process is over. Now let's move to the clone server and create one DNS entry so my clone server can communicate with production database. Let's move on the clone database. This is required when you restart the database. It will try to the connect when you restart your auxiliary instance, and when you connect to the target database, and when you try to copy all the structure and everything. So that reason we need TNS entry. So we have creating we have need to create here TNS entry. So run here net mgr command and click here, then service naming, nothing is there, so click here, edit service name, net service name, your production database name, throw db, next, next, and the host name is your IP address of production database. So 192.168.1.10, this is the IP address of your production database. Now click next. Service name also is prodb, you can do, you can give, okay, and then next, and you can also test the connections. So it's showing an error, your password is got tiger, this account is locked, you can unlock the account. Okay, I will. So I unlock the escort user connections, and it is test again, then it is successfully. Okay, then close and finish it, and save it, save. Okay, now using TNS command, TNS ping with your production DB service. So it says successfully ping, we have replied. Now we have to start the database in no mount stage. Now I'm going to start the auxiliary instance. Okay, export Oracle SID. Oracle SID is clone DB, and then login. Then start it with B file, startup no mount, and B file path is 001 init clone db dot aura. It's an error, fill in process system parameter. Let's see what is the error. Actually my file name is init clone db and giving a name is wrong, so I'm giving again init clone db dot aura, then enter. Okay, okay, your database started in normal stage. Now let's connect to RMAN and start auxiliary database or restoring the database. So let's connect with RMAN, going on host and connect RMAN, RMAN, Now you have to connect to the production database. Connect, target this, and the password is, what is your user password? My password is this, @prodb, and so now I'm connected here with the production database. So how you can see, we are connected to the auxiliary database, and we also connect to the prodb. So now can run a script to install the database using run command. Run and allocate auxiliary channel cu1 device type disk, allocate channel c2 device type disk, and duplicate target database to clone db. Use duplicate command here, and now close the run block, then enter. Now this will connect to the production database, and will copy all the directory structure and all the also copy all archive log files. Okay. Okay. I mean restore process is completed. Okay. Let's test the database. Come out the RMAN prompt using exit command. Now execute, select instance underscore name from middle instance, and you can see also, you can add here also status. So your database name is clone db, and status is open. Okay. You can also query, select name open underscore mode database. So you can see here your database, clone database, and read write. It is the mode in read write mode. Okay. Now you can use this clones database for any reporting purpose. I hope you found this video very informative. Thank you for watching, and you want to get my new video in your mailbox, so subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my channel.